We are going to make delicious Chinese fish fillets.
To build lots of flavor, we'll marinate the fish with ginger, scallions, and soy sauce. Then we'll pan fry it until golden. And finally coat it in a light sauce with some veggies. Take about 1 pound of nice, thick fish fillets. We want them boneless and skin on. Check for any remaining bones and remove them. Cut the fish into fairly large chunks, about 1 inch wide. If you cut them too small, the fish will dry out and fall apart during cooking. Keep the skin on. It helps hold everything together and tastes amazing once crispy. Place the fish in a large bowl. Cut 2 scallions into sections. Then slice them lengthwise to release more flavor. Grate fresh ginger to get 1 tablespoon and add it to the bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. Squeeze everything to help release the flavors. In Chinese cooking, ginger and scallions are a classic combo for marinating fish, chicken, or other meats. Put this marinade over the fish. Gently mix so you don't break the pieces. Keep mixing until the fish absorbs all the liquids. You'll see it gradually disappear. Let it marinate while you prepare the rest. Now prepare the vegetables. Cut 5 thin slices of ginger, then cut them into fine matchsticks. No need to peel, the ginger skin is thin and edible. Peel and slice 4 garlic cloves. Slice 3 green chilies into little rings. These are not hot, but you can take hot chilies if you like. You can also use bell peppers if you prefer. Also dice a piece of red bell pepper for color. Cut 1 scallion into sections. To make the little sauce, in a bowl, add 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch. Pour in just a little of 1/2 cup water and mix. Add 1/2 tablespoon oyster sauce and mix again. It's easier to first dissolve everything in a small amount of water. Then add the rest of the 1/2 cup water and mix well. Now remove the scallions from the marinade. Otherwise, they would burn during cooking. You can save them for a soup. Add 4 tablespoons cornstarch to the fish and gently coat all the pieces. Mix gently so as not to break the pieces. Make sure everything is well coated. Now cook, beginning by the vegetables. Heat a pan over high heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the ginger and stir for 20 seconds. Add the garlic and stir for 10 seconds. Now add the chilies and bell pepper plus a pinch of salt. Stir for 20 seconds. The vegetables become more fragrant and lightly grilled. Set them aside. To cook the fish, heat a wide pan over medium heat. Add enough oil to cover the bottom. After about 2 minutes, when the oil is hot, place the fish skin side down. Once all the pieces are in the pan, cook for about 4 minutes. Gently shake the pan to distribute the oil. We start with the skin because we want it crispy and flavorful. Check the cooking. After 4 minutes, flip the fish piece by piece. Cook for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The flesh side needs less time. We want it tender. The cornstarch forms a thin crust that protects the fish from drying out, and it tastes great too. Check the cooking. We want golden pieces of fish. Turn off the heat. Tilt the pan to remove as much oil as possible. Turn the heat back on to medium. Add 1 tablespoon Shaoxing cooking wine around the edges of the pan. It's optional. Shake the pan. The alcohol evaporates, leaving great aroma. Then add 1/2 tablespoon light soy sauce around the edges. Shake the pan again. The sauce caramelizes and intensifies in flavor. Add the cooked vegetables. Stir the sauce and pour it in. Shake the pan. Cover. Lower the heat slightly and cook for 1 minute. This helps the sauce gather all the flavors without evaporating too quickly. Remove the lid and gently toss, being careful not to break the fish pieces. Add the scallions. Mix gently and turn off the heat. Your pan-fried fish with vegetables is ready. Serve it with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The fish is packed with flavor thanks to the marinade. The crispy skin adds extra taste. The stir-fried vegetables are delicious. The sauce ties everything together and has gathered all the cooking juices. Here are the key tips for success. Use thick fish fillets with skin on. Cut large pieces. Marinate with ginger and scallions. Cook vegetables separately. And cook the fish over medium heat. Thank you. Subscribe to Morgan Recipes for more homemade cooking.